My name's Keith Edwards. I'm the section manager for Toyota Lean Management Centre, a group that go out and work with non-competitive clients to educate and coach and mentor people in what people see as the lean approach to manufacturing. Lean actually comes from the Toyota production system. That's where it's formed. But we don't actually talk about lean within what we do at Toyota. What we talk about is actually waste elimination. When we go out, we will ask companies, what is their biggest problem? And it's not unusual for companies not to know what their biggest problem is. So we'll look at working with them to identify their biggest problem and then to remove that problem, to take that waste away. We don't see a problem as a negative. We see it as a positive to be able to make your business better going forward, but only if you eliminate it to make sure it doesn't come back again.
It's part of the Toyota global strategy to manufacture products in the region that the products are sold. So that's first and foremost why we're here at D-side. Of course, the second thing is the availability of a skilled workforce. You know, we're blessed in this region to have the likes of Airbus, and also across the way we've got the Vauxhall plants as well. So the region has been well known historically for a good, skilled, available workforce, and we can make use of that.
So most recently we've seen a very significant increase in growth here in our engine plant. We've had something like 18% of additional volume come about by increase in new technologies and hybrid engines. From our point of view, we have to look about how we can train people, we look at our systems to make them more efficient and make sure that we can produce more vehicles, more engines more efficiently at a reasonable cost.
The workforce, we say it's our number one asset, and it truly is our number one asset. We spend a lot of time training and developing our members, and we can deliver the products with the right level of quality that we're trying to deliver on a day-to-day basis.
So what attracted me to Toyota really was the fact that the scheme it's all about continuous improvement. It's about developing yourself and really working your way through departments and through the ranks within the company.
I think if companies want to apply lean, they have to make it part of what they're doing as part of their strategy going forward, because it's a mid to long-term activity. The starting point is to establish stability. You have to have a stable process, wherever it may be, and from that point, then develop the Kaizen through continuous improvement to move forward on a day-by-day basis. The key to it is, though, as we do here, it's engagement of the employees and working with the employees to understand what their biggest problems are and then to educate them and give them the tools to eliminate those problems one by one, which makes a better business going forward.